I've got a really special listing for you this week. It's newly remodeled home comes with own solar panel, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU, and a large front addition with its own private entry. The home sits in a peaceful neighborhood near the Cupertino and the Los Altos borders. Just a short stroll to top-rated Cupertino schools, the gorgeous Sarah Park, and Homestead Crossing Shopping Center for all of your coffee and grocery needs. It's also surrounded by major tech companies with easy access to Highway 280, 85, and just minutes from downtown Sunnyvale with your Caltrain connection. Now, let's just hop inside. Inside, gleaming red oak floors lead into a sunlit floor plan, enhanced by dual-pane windows and recessed lighting throughout. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and island, vast cabinetry, pantry, and a large dining area. Down the hall, there are 3 comfy bedrooms, each with its own closet, along with a whole bathroom with dual sinks and shower tub combo. The primary suite offers an ensuite bathroom with full shower, as well as a bonus office or den. This flexible layout presents the opportunity to expand the ensuite bathroom by converting the office den into a large bathroom, while the current ensuite bathroom can be imagined as a walk-in closet with the existing closet removed to further enhance the bedroom size. As one of the added bonuses, the home features a front addition with a living room, wet bar, a bedroom with a full bathroom, and a large walk-in closet. And for a grand bonus, the property includes a high-ceiling ADU featuring a cozy living room, full kitchen, whole bathroom with a stall shower, and a sun-filled bedroom. Perfect for extra income or convenience for family or friends. The sunny backyard is beautifully landscaped and offers extra space for an oversized vehicle, such as an RV. I'm rennashee, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click like the button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.